Want to join Symbiosis International University? Here's the ultimate guide to cracking the entrance exams SET and SITEEE 2025. SET is for courses like BBA, Mass Comm, and Economics, while SITEEE is for B.Tech programs. Both are computer-based tests held across India. Step 1. Register at set-test.org. Step 2. Upload your documents and select the test. Step 3. Submit your fees before the deadline, April 12, 2025. Symbiosis offers exciting options like double majors, research opportunities, international semester exchange, and flexible degree pathways. Crack the exam, secure your future. Want guidance or tips? DM me and stay tuned to Mission Admission for all updates. All the best. Thank you.